Trying to decide between the lure basket and the automatic paste pump? You're not alone. Since you can't use both at the same time, it really comes down to how hands-on you want to be and which you want to try first. Here is the simple breakdown. The automatic paste pump, or APP, is the easiest set and forget option. It comes pre-filled and is available in 3 flavors: chocolate, nut butter, and meat lovers, all designed to attract rats and mice. In New Zealand, meat lovers is also widely used for trapping stoats. Once installed, it slowly releases lure for up to 6 months. Then it's time to replace it. No regular topping up, just the occasional check to make sure everything's working as it should. If you want low maintenance and reliable performance, this is a great place to start. The lure basket, on the other hand, gives you flexibility. It screws into the trap and lets you use your own lure. This could be peanut butter, pet food, fruit, anything you know works in your area, or whatever your local pests already go for. It's a great option if you want more control or like to experiment, but because these lures aren't designed to stay fresh as long, they can dry out or lose effectiveness, so you'll need to check and refresh them more often. One tip that applies to both is that pre-feeding makes a big difference. Give rodents a taste of the lure around the trap for a few days to help them feel comfortable, then stop, so the only place to get more is inside the trap. If you want convenience and consistency, start with the automatic paste pump. If you want control and flexibility, start with the lure basket. And if one isn't getting the results you expect, try the other. Sometimes a small change in lure can make all the difference. Either way, you're set up to trap smarter.